This is my very quick, speedy prawn linguine recipe. I do a longer version with shells, but this is the quick version using shellless prawns. You cut the tails and blend them up, and then use the bigger pieces into two pieces. These are the tails blended with garlic, capers, a little bit of tomato, olive oil. So this is the strong bit of the sauce which will spread throughout the pasta and bind onto all of the pasta. I just wash this out with some white wine, cook off the white wine on the basis of the sauce. Now we have hot boiling water, salted, olive oil. We're going to use linguine. It's a nice prawn linguine we're making. The sauce is reduced. Now we cook the prawns quickly. We're not going to overcook these. Just turn them round in the sauce until they're pink. And then I'll splash a little bit of the pasta water in here just to thicken the sauce up a little bit more. But these prawns will not be boiling away. They're not boiling away. Sauce quickly reduces and becomes this delicious prawn seafood sauce. Drain the pasta in the usual way. Throw it on top of your prawn sauce. Freshen it up with some fresh flat leaf parsley. Squeeze of lemon, goes well with any seafood, fantastic with prawns. And then give it a good turning over to get all the sauce and prawns spread throughout the pasta, the linguine. And this is a really speedy, tasty way of making a prawn linguine. Enjoy!